Hello guys, for the past few days we've been going through the trading training, and of course I'm really happy about the amazing testimony I'm getting from people. Okay, I'm really happy about your performances, and it really shows that you guys are really sticking to instructions, and of course you are following every part of the training. Okay, so we will be doing more in today's video, but today instead of looking at the normal trend, we'll be looking at the spiky part of it. Okay, that is what we'll be checking out in today's video. So we'll be checking out how we can trade the spikes within the trend. Okay, how we can trade the spikes within the trend, and it's going to be well detailed, and of course you're going to love every part of it. So if you have been looking for an opportunity to know the right trend to trade the spike, then you need to watch this video to the end, because this will help you to have a better knowledge about spike trading. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share to subscribe to this channel? Can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications, that way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, that we will be checking out how to trade the spiky parts of boom and crash, okay, within the trend. So like I have always been explaining for the past few days, your trend is always important. It will help you to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. And when you know the right trend to trade the assets you are trading, then definitely you will know when to go into the market. Okay, so for you to know the trend, you need to be good with your technical analysis, or probably have the basic knowledge about it, and have a very good indicator that can assist you in order to achieve this easily. So let's quickly go a bit practical so that we get to know what we are looking at. Okay, let's quickly grow a bit practical. Okay, so let's see. Okay guys, just the way we are saying it right here, for crash I will be using crash as an example. Okay, for crash, the spikes usually happen, the spikes in crash they are usually the crash down candles that happen on crash, and of course they usually happen from the resistance zone. Okay, so that is why I always tell you, if you are trading crash, if you are trading it normally, that is if you are buying it, once it is approaching the resistance zone, you should stay away from the market, because we are most likely to have crashes or drop down candles around there. Here is a resistance zone, and you can see that there are so many crash down happening around there. There are so many spikes happening around there, and here is another one also. You can see when it got there, that was when it crashed down. Okay, so that is very, very important. So they usually happen around the resistance zone, and of course they usually happen more when the market is on downtrend. That is for crash, but for boom they usually happen around the support zone. Okay, let me go to boom. They usually happen around the support zone, and they happen more when the market is on uptrend. You can see it right here. So it happened around the support zone, even right here, support zone, and if you should check here too, around the support zone, and they happen more when the market is on uptrend. So right here the market was on uptrend, and you can see that we were having more spiky candles happening around here. So that is always very, very important. So once you understand this, you will know that okay, when boom is on uptrend, when boom is on downtrend, I don't need to go for spike trading at that particular time. When crash is on uptrend, I don't need to go for spike trading at that particular time. So all these are very, 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 very important for you to know. Okay, So right here, the first thing I would like you to do is to take your chart to 5 minute time frame. Okay, so once you're on 5 minute time frame, this is crash. We already know that crash usually, for crash, spike usually happen when the market is around the resistance zone, and of course we have more of it happening, or we enjoy trading the spiky part of crash when the market is on downtrend. So this is crash 1000. So you should know that the market is about to change around here from an uptrend into a downtrend, so we should be waiting for it to get to the resistance zone. And once it gets to the resistance zone, then we should place our pending order right there, because we know that it should be spiking any moment from there. Okay, so when it got there, we got our sell arrow popping out and it crashed down. You can see it's crashing down till it got to this level. This can make you a lot of money. Okay, you can close it right here if you want, or you wait for it to crash more because the market is on downtrend already. So you can see it went up a bit, crashed down again, went up a bit, crashed down again and again and again till it got to this region. This is where we have our blue arrow popping out. So you can always close your close your order right here. Okay, you can close it right here. So this will give you a lot of profit. You can imagine from here to here, that is a lot of profit, guys. That is a lot of profit. You would have made a lot of profit with this actually claimed about 18 candles. Okay, 18 candles. You can see right there 18 5-minute candles. If you do your multiplication, that is about 5 times 18. Okay, 5 times 18, that is close to 100 or thereabout, about 100 minutes. Okay, so that is that. So you can do your multiplication and multiply it, do your calculation, multiply it by 50 cents. Let's say you are making 50 cents per minute. That would have given you about $50 right from there. Okay, that makes it very easy for you to achieve your daily target. So you can do this over and over even without any hiccups. Okay, that is 18 times 5. Okay, times 5, that is 90 minutes. Okay, times 0.5, let's say you are making 50 cents per minute. Okay, that is $45. So you can see that. Okay, so and once you get your blue arrow popping out, you stay away from the market to close your markets. You wait for it to get to the next resistance zone again, and it keeps on crashing again. Okay, you can still come in right here and crash the market till it got to this level, or you when it got to this level, you can stay away from the market and wait for it to show you the red arrow again, then or get to this resistance zone. You should always target the resistance zone. Okay, once you target the resistance zone, then you will be able to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, so you can stay with this. Once it keeps on crashing and crashing and crashing, you leave it till it get to the blue region. Once it get to the blue region, blue arrow, then you can stay away from the market again and wait for another opportunity. With this, you can milk the market for a very long time. Okay, it makes it very easy to do. This is another 20 candles, that is about 100 100 minutes. That will be giving you about $50 if you are making 50 cents per minute. Okay, that is about $50. Okay, so this is how you can use it to milk the spiky part of the market successfully for a very long time. All you need to do is just constant practice. It is still the same method. You following the signal that supports the trend. Okay, you already know the right trend to trade the spiky part of it. Okay, if it is crash, it is when the market is on downtrend. If it is boom, it is when the market is on uptrend. Then you know you already know how to identify the trend right here. We already know that the market is on downtrend right here. Then you know where the spikes usually happen. For crash, it is around the resistance zone. For boom, it is around the support zone. Once you are able to put all this together, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. So that is just the basic secret about spikes trading. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Okay, what I want you to do is just to make sure you understand every part of this video, and of course try to have this set up on your chart. To be try to identify your trend, and of course make sure it is the right trend to trade the spike. Okay, and of course try to identify your resistance and support zone, so that you can put all this together in order to milk the market successfully and follow the signal that supports the trend. So that is all we have for today. I would like to see your result at the end of today, okay, so that I will know if you are getting it right or not. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then,